Alright guys, today I wanted to do a quick review and install of my new Opret files organizer. So I do want to say thank you to the company for setting this in for review. But if you have like a classroom or you have an office at home, like I work from home, so this is going to come in super handy. I'll be able to put certain documents that I need. We can hang it in different locations. I'm going to use the the door to install. So let's go ahead and take it out of here and see how it looks. Right here. So this is what it looks like. Very nice. I do know that this material is like waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it messing up with water. There's a total of 10 slots. Just give you kind of how deep each one of these goes. Then it's got 3 rings right here, as well as the 3 hooks for it. So this is going to be a super easy install. So we'll just put these rings through here. And then we just hang it on the door. Perfect. Literally goes up just like that. And then it comes with these little cardboard pieces so you can label each one of these. So that way you know what you're labeling, what you're installing. So that's pretty, I'll go ahead and probably put one up. But if you need something to help you get a little more organized, whether at home or classrooms or really anywhere, I highly recommend this. Like I said, just feels like a good material. I feel like it's gonna stay on here. Doesn't affect my door at all. Opens just fine. I am using all 3 of the hooks. Maybe you just use 1 or 2. It's really up to you, depending on how heavy this is gonna get for you. So there you have it. And here's a closer look at this right here. So again, if you're looking for a nice file organizer, definitely recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.